Looking to add a page where you can have the Keeping Current Matters blog feed constantly updating. They do a blog every single day. It's great news, not clickbait. You're going to come right over here to your web and IDX. We're going to create a custom page. We're going to come right here to advanced options. We're going to give that title. So maybe it's real estate news blog. Then we're going to select a category. Where is it going to be in the drop down? So I'm going to go ahead and click guides and resources. Then we're going to come over here to the RSS property feed, and I'm going to add the feed. This is the feed if you do not already have an account. It'll go to the generic, their Keeping Current Matters blog. If you do have an account, make sure to use the one that has the account number on there, so that way it goes to your custom website blog. And then make sure always add in your SEO on any page that you create. There's lots of keywords, blah, blah, blah. You could use ChatGPT to help, but make sure this is more of a sentence. And then these are going to be more of word, comma, word, comma, word, comma, all that kind of stuff. But add that on there, click save. And then you have to click publish. We don't have to design a page. It's an RSS feed. It's just going to be this right here. We cannot edit, add anything on top, anything like that. So we click publish. Then we come back over to our web and IDX. Then we have to come over to our website settings. If you want it to show up on your website, we now need to go to custom navigation. We're going to come over here. These are categories. Maybe we want to add that page, and I called it the real estate news blog. That's going to add that page to my website header up here versus I have it in the guides. It'll show up here when I put that on there. But so that's the difference between a category or a page that I want to show up. So that's how we get it to show up on the site. Make sure you click save, and then you're good to go.